Good evening, children. Today, let me learn about IUPAC nomenclature of hydrocarbons. Last class, we studied nomenclature of organic compounds, then components of an IUPAC name, how to write the name. Okay. Let us try to name systematically some of the linear and substituted hydrocarbon by following IUPAC rules. Okay, so already studied the rules. So, see the first example. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. See the first example. CH3, CH2, CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. Okay, this is example 1. So first step, you count how many carbon atoms are there. Okay, so in this organic compound, no functional group, no double bond, no triple bond. So you can number this compound either left hand side or right hand side. Okay, so first carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5. So how many number of carbon is here? 5 carbon. Okay, step 1, you want to find how many carbon is there. Okay, so here totally 5 carbon chain. Totally 5 carbon chain. Okay, so that root word of 5 carbon means pent. First you find the root word. Okay, so the next step 2. So, all the bonds between carbon atoms are single bond. Here, see there, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. All the bonds between carbon atoms are single bond. Thus, the suffix "ane". Suffix "ane". So, this compound name, this pent plus "ane". Pent plus ane. Pent is a root word, ane is a suffix. So that compound name is pentane. So the compound name is pentane. Have you clear? So this compound is a linear. So here no branches. This organic compound are linear in structure. Then second example, CH3 single bond, CH bond, CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. So, these compounds have substituents. Okay, here CH3 is a substituents. So, you want to number this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 carbon you numbered. So, 1 carbon you not numbered, that is substituents. So CH3 is a substituents, that CH3 is in position 2. Okay, so step 1, the longest chain 1 to 5. Okay, so the longest chain contains 5 carbon atoms, hence the root word pent. Root word pent. Okay. Steps 2. There is a substituent in this compound. Yes, in this compound having one substituent. Okay. So that substituent, which position? Second. Second position having the substituents. Okay. So substituent, that substituent is second position 2. So that carbon, how many carbon is there? Only one carbon. Okay, the substituent is a methyl group. CH3 is a methyl group. It is located in the second carbon atom. So the prefix substituents, you want to use only prefix. So that name 2-methyl. Pent is a root word. Root word. 2-methyl substituents. So it is a prefix. Then suffix. Here no functional group, no double bond, no triple bond. These organic compounds carbon between single bond. So the suffix "ane". How to write the name of this compound? So the formula is prefix plus root word plus suffix. How to write the IUPAC name? First you should write the prefix. Next root word. The next suffix. So here prefix is 2-methyl. The next root word pent. Suffix "ane". Okay. So that second compound name 2-methyl. First you should write the prefix 2-methyl pent "ane". First write the prefix, second write the root word, third write the suffix. So the next third example, CH3 single bond, CH single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH3. So the longest chain, first you want to choose the chain. Okay, so see here no functional group, no double bond, no triple bond, but that is substituents you want to give least number. Okay, so you are started here, number means 1 2 3 4 5 6 only you will get it, but you want to choose longest chain. You can start the number from here also. Here means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. First we numbered left to right, we got only 6, but now you change that direction, you got 7. So longest chain only you want to choose. Okay, so first step, you count the carbon atoms. So carbon atom total is 7. So root word 7, root word kept. So here no numbering group. So this methyl only no number. So it is a substituent. Okay. So that substituent connected in third position. The substituents connected in third position. So the substituent is 3. 3. The name of the substituents, only one carbon is there, CH3, that is methyl. The next, here all single bond. So suffix ANE. Now write the name. First you should write prefix, 3 methyl, the next root word, the next suffix. So how to write the name? How to write the name? Three methyl captain. Okay, so listen carefully while you writing the name of that compound, number and symbol, number and letter in between use hyphen. Okay, 3 hyphen methyl. So alphabet and number in between use the hyphen. Okay, so the next example, CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH double bond CH2. Okay, see here, first you should count the number of the carbon. Okay, so here how many carbon atom is there? 1 2 3 4 5. Numbers you start from double bond. Double bond you will give the least number. Okay, totally 5 carbon. 5 carbon means pent. So no substituents. It is a linear chain, so no substituents. Okay, so the next third step, suffix. So no substituent means don't write prefix, only root word and suffix. Suffix, here one double bond is there, double bond. So this double bond compound is double bond there means how to write? ENE. Okay, so this name pentene. Okay, so that compound name pentene.